In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Blockman Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to access various different experiences in Blockman Go and play them multiplayer, meaning that you will be able to connect with other random people online or even your friends. So all that you have to do is find a specific experience that you would like to play multiplayer. Basically, the process is going to be different for every single experience, but in general, all that you have to do is join the experience and you will find some sort of indicator to play multiplayer. On this video, I'm gonna be joining Bed Wars, which is one of the most popular experiences, and obviously it features a multiplayer mode or multiplayer functionalities. So once you find a specific experience that you would like to play with other people, either randoms or your friends, all that you have to do is go ahead and start by tapping this purple button until you load in. So, immediately upon joining the experience, you will be able to play right away. In this specific example, it seems like I got a lot of bots on my team, so we're currently still waiting for other players, but I'm gonna return to the lobby to show you how this would look like. And you will be able to notice that the lobby will have plenty of other actual players around. So, right now, we are doing multiplayer on Blockman Go. So as you can see, here are the name tags, everyone has their own level, customization, and you will be able to go into various different modes. Of course, this example that I'm showing you on screen now is related to Bed Wars, which is a specific game available on Blockman Go, but you will also be able to reproduce these general steps on other experiences. So you will be able to join any experience that you see on Blockman Go and start playing with others multiplayer. So just join any experience that you would like to play, and usually they will feature some sort of multiplayer functionality, and you will be able to browse through all of them from this home menu. A lot of these experiences are designed to be multiplayer, so you will be able to team up with your friends to play together or play against other random people online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer in Blockman Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.